Hey everyone, and welcome! Want to learn electronics but don't know where to start? This video is your fast track to Tinkercad Circuits. We'll cover what it is, how to get in, and how to build your first simple circuit. What is Tinkercad? This is a free online tool by Autodesk. While it's known for 3D design, its circuit simulator is perfect for learning electronics all without needing any real-world parts. In order to open Tinkercad on your computer, go to your web browser and search for Tinkercad. Upon showing results, click on www.tinkercad.com. The Tinkercad homepage will show up having some details about it. Now, on your top right corner, click Login. You'll see a few different ways to sign in. If you are a student and your teacher has given you a class code, you would select Students with Class Code to join your class. You'll enter the code and a nickname to log in without needing to create your own account. If you are a teacher, you would select Educators. Start here to create a classroom and manage your students' work. For the purpose of this tutorial, and for most new users, we will use a personal account. Under Personal Accounts, you can choose to sign in with an email or with social accounts like Apple or Microsoft. The fastest way to get started is by clicking Sign in with Google. This is the option I'll be using right now. Once you're signed in, you'll see your main dashboard. With left panel and the main panel with 3D designs, circuits and code blocks options. On the right side of the screen, there's a big blue Create button. Click on it, then select Circuit to create a new circuit for your first simulation. The circuit's interface will appear. Now, let's quickly go over the main parts of the screen. Top left, click the project name to rename it. Let's call this one LED Project 1. Below here, there are other options which are Copy used to copy devices, Paste used to paste devices, Delete for deleting connections and devices, Undo option, and Redo option. Top center. This is your toolbar. You'll see the wire color changing area and wire type selection area. Also, there is this icon used for rotating components and this icon used for mirroring our components. Right side. This is your component library. Use the search bar to find parts. The drop-down lets you filter components if you need to. On clicking this drop-down, you will see more options for your components, like Basic, All Components, Arduino, Microbit, or Circuits assembled. To use these components, just select the one you want and hold it and drag to the workspace here. Here at the center, this is where you'll build your circuit. Use your mouse to pan and zoom. To zoom, just scroll your mouse wheel, and to pan, just hold your left-click key and move your mouse. Top right. Now let's look at the buttons on the top right. First, you'll see the Code button. If you click this, a code editor panel slides open. This is where you would write code for programmable components like an Arduino or a Microbit. You can program in 3 ways: using blocks, which are like digital Lego bricks, using pure text code, which is what professional programmers use, or using a combination of both. For our simple circuit today, we don't have a programmable board, so we won't be using the code editor. It's an essential tool for more advanced projects, which we can explore in a future video. Click the Code button again to close this panel. Top right, the most important buttons. Start Simulation brings your circuit to life. Click on this button to start or stop simulating your circuits. Now let's build a basic circuit with a battery, a resistor, and an LED. Find and drag a 9V battery, a resistor, and an LED onto the workspace. Click on the resistor. A small window will pop up. For our example, let's change its resistance. Now, click on the LED. You can change its color. Let's select blue. Now let's connect our circuit. Click on the LED's anode, the positive bent leg, then click one end of the resistor. Change the wire color to green. Click the positive terminal of the battery and connect it to the other end of the resistor. Change this wire to red. Click the negative terminal of the battery and connect it to the LED's cathode. The negative, straight leg. Change this wire to black. Now let's simulate our circuit to see if it works. Click the Start Simulation button. Your blue LED should light up. There you go! You have successfully created your first circuit within Tinkercad. That's all for today. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching, and happy tinkering!